welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hello. I am Silly Jennifer, as you guys can kind of tell already. I had an awesome haul, you guys, at CVS. There's actually a couple more deals that I wanted to do, but I'm just like, nah, I don't really need to do them. Like the Glucerna, like it's an awesome deal, but I didn't really need to do it because like nobody in my family is diabetic, so it was just like, that's okay, I'll give it to somebody else who doesn't have it. But I am so excited to share with the deals that I got for you guys. It wasn't like a moneymaker, but I think it was a pretty good deal. So the number one deal that is super exciting is the Arm & Hammer. Now, my Arm & Hammer only had the liquid. They didn't have the shakers or the pods or anything, which is totally fine with me. But these were $7.79. They are currently buy one, you get two free. Okay, we also had a $1 off coupon that came out today on coupons.com, or there's a $1 off digital, whatever is easier for you guys. I'm not doing this in the order that I always do it, but I had a $2 off app digital, I had a $1 off app digital, and I had a $1.50 off app digital. So I had 3 different apps for digital coupons. So I paid $1.79 for 3 of these. So these come out to be just 59 cents a piece, which was an awesome, awesome, awesome deal. Yeah, I know. Okay, so I ended up getting this shampoo and conditioner that I've never gotten before, and I was super stoked to get it. It is the OGX. I've never gotten the OGX before, and I was pretty excited. I've never seen printable coupons for these, so I'm excited. I got the coconut curls because I've been curling my hair a little differently. So this was buy one get one 50% off. It was $8.79. I used a 3 off of 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. Plus I had a 4 off of 18 hair care. But I did buy other shampoo and conditioner to make up for it. But we're just going to take the 4 off of 18 for this. So you guys would end up paying $6.18. Now if you don't have that coupon, you guys would end up getting this for $10.18. But then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making them either $2.18 or $6.18. But I will take the $2.18. That's a great deal. So I am super excited to try this stuff out because it's like I've been wanting to try it out and I just haven't had the opportunity. I also got the Suave shampoo and conditioner. These were 2 for $6. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. I also had a 2 off of 2 Suave hair care CRT. You guys would end up paying $1 for these. But then you would get a $2 extra care buck back, making this $1 a moneymaker. You get these absolutely free. Plus there's a deal for Sunday only where you guys can get some bonus points for buying Suave, so definitely check that out. I maxed mine out when I went to Walgreens earlier, but definitely go ahead. You can't go wrong with moneymaker and making points off of Fetch. I also did the Dove hair shampoo and conditioner. These are 2 for $8. You guys want to use a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. I also had a $2 off Dove CRT, so you would just get this for $3. I just got it because I wanted to, you know, get it. Plus you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch. You guys get some bonus points, so definitely go ahead and do that. I got a lot of stuff today. So I also got Tresemme. Now the Tresemme was 2 for $10. I had a 5 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts. today, and then I had a $2.50 off of 8 CRT that I usually get every single week. But you guys would get these for $2.50. That's $1.25 a piece. It's an okay deal, but you could also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys can get some bonus points for that also. So I was pretty excited. I got a lot of beauty things, which I was really excited for because I don't get beauty. There are times where I get tons of beauty and there's times where I don't. So I had, I'm so excited. We got digitals and we got printables of the Garnier. I never get those inserts for me, so it was kind of exciting for them to print off and do the digitals. So I had a, I got these for the Garnier deal. Now I ended up getting a $2 off micellar water. I had another $2 off micellar water, and then I had a 5 off of 20 CRT for anything Garnier face. So what I ended up using is I used a $2 off coupon for this one, a $2 off coupon for this one, and then I had a $2 off digital for these, and then I used those 3 CRTs. This was $7, or this was $9.49. This one was $7.49, and this one was $6.79. They didn't have any more, so that's why I didn't get 2 of the green ones. But you would pay $8.77 for all 3 of these. You get a $5 extra care buck, making it $3.77 or just $1.26. So I was pretty excited because I don't ever get to really get this stuff. So I'm excited for that deal. Yes. And that counts towards beauty. I ended up getting the Schick razors. Now they only had 1 of these and I only had 1 of those coupons, so I was pretty excited. This was $11.99 and this was $12.49. I used 2 $4 off printable coupons that we got from our that were printable like maybe 2 weeks ago. I also had a 5 off of 20 any shave, so I paid $11.48 for the both of these, but then you get a $10 extra care buck back, making it $1.48 or just 74 cents a piece. So pretty good deal on razors. My husband really likes the Hydro 5. So I ended up getting the NYX lipstick. Now my store was still putting up tags, so I didn't know exactly what was on sale. I grabbed one thing, but that didn't show what was on sale, but this one did. These were two for $11.98. I ended up getting, why don't these ever have names on it? Really? They don't have names on it? Okay, I got one that says watermelon taffy and then one that says nothing. But you would get $10 back by getting these. So these come out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. So you can't go wrong. This is a deal that they usually have around Black Friday. So pretty exciting deal for that. I also got the Irish Springs. Now there's an okay deal for this, but you know, I feel like we haven't been stocking up very much on this stuff. So these were two for $8. I used 2 75-cent off coupons that we got from our inserts today. I also had a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT. So I paid $4.50 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $3 extra care buck, making them $1.50 or 75 cents a piece. So if you guys need to go ahead and do that, go for it. Alright, now I wanted to do the whole Clean and Clear Neutrogena, but I just couldn't get it to be in my favor. So I thought, you know what, I don't want these CRTs to go away, so I ended up doing just one of these. So this was $7.49. I used a $2 off coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com, or there is a $2 off digital. I had two CRTs for Clean and Clear. I had two of them, and then I also had a 50-cent off app coupon. So I used those two CRTs and the app. So you guys would just get this for 99 cents. 99 cents. There might be a deal that you guys can submit to Fetch or Ibotta. I haven't checked yet, but no, 99 cents. You can't go wrong. I need to spend like 12 something more to get a $5 thing, so it wasn't really worth it. So, everybody's different. Everybody is different. I ended up getting the Palmolive soap. This was on sale for 99 cents. There is a 25-cent off CRT that is printing from the red machine, so you guys want to definitely get that. You would just get this for 74 cents. I love this soap. I love the little bottles so much better than the big bottles. I think it's just a little bit convenient. So I also got some Hershey candy bars. Now last week I received a CRT for $1 off of 3 Hershey bars. So currently these are two for $2, and then you get that $1 instant coupon, making these like 50 cents a piece. Well, I wanted to use that other one, so I got these 3 for $3, and I used 2 $1 off CRTs, so I would get this for $1. That's just 33 cents a piece. So I wanted to do that. We've been really into making s'mores lately, so I couldn't pass up the Hershey deal. But that was my haul, you guys. It came to be like, I don't even know how much it came out to be. What I do with CVS is really weird. When it comes to checking out, what I end up doing is I give them a product, give them a coupon. Give them a product, give them a coupon. And then after that, then I give them all my CRTs that I'm using, and then that's how I do it. I've noticed doing that I have less problems and all that fun stuff. But my total came to 2 cents, you guys. 2 cents. That's all it came out to be, is 0.2. But I did use $50 worth of extra care bucks, which was awesome because it was right to a T. But I did only receive 34. So I didn't receive as much back, but hey, you know what? I'll still take it. I only had to pay 2 cents for everything. But, so my grand total came to be $16.02. I got 25 items at just 64 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, considering all the stuff that I got. But I did get about $80 worth of beauty, so I will be definitely getting $6 back for sure for beauty. I'm not sure if I'll get anything from the previous week because I did not have any CRTs of beauty print off from last week. So most likely this next Sunday I might get $9 back. We will see, but I will take it. But I think 16 bucks for all that stuff, I think is a pretty good deal considering, you know, this is almost 10, this is almost 10, these are 12, so. And then just the Arm & Hammer, I forgot about that. It was $7.79. So if you guys enjoyed my haul, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next Sunday for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.